I think one of the best and most interesting things we did this year was really incorporating the simulations into our lessons. A lot of times the concepts that we discuss in class are difficult for kids to understand. And so being able to show them through simulations was really, really helpful.
Two units we completed so far this year were suspense. We read suspenseful stories, and then students wrote their own suspense story. And then in time of war, we read stories that revolve around World War II, in which students analyzed how people behave when they respond to conflict.
So our current unit is geometric transformations in specific translation. So we start with a pre-image, the starting image, and then move it with a set of directions to another place, the image. This student over here has labeled the pre-image and image. And this student has gone in and actually labeled or marked on the graph to show us how they have moved each of the points.
Manifest Destiny, or the domination of the continent, is the theme for the rest of the school year. We explore the dark side of U.S. history throughout the 19th century, which some would say is still a part of American DNA. We bought and we coerced and annexed land from many other countries. But remember, in all cases, we stole it from the Native Americans.
The two units we have completed so far this year is Unit 1 Suspense, where we looked at the techniques authors use to create suspense, and then in Unit 2 In Time of War, we answered the question, what does our response to conflict say about us? If you have not done so, I highly recommend that you read the suspenseful narrative your student wrote at the end of Unit 1. They were amazing.
One of the most fun and successful tools that I've used this year is Kahoot. This is what it looks like when I'm setting it up on my laptop. There it is, written in the assignments. This is what it's like up on my screen. And here you have it when you see it in a Google Classroom. I can give it as an assignment also. And Mr. Skadal here, and I will see y'all.
The majority of our year, we studied linear equations and graphing them, making charts. And at the end of that unit, we solved a system of linear equations. And if our students are able to do this and understand the three different representations, the equations, the charts, and the graphs, they are very, very well prepared to go to high school.
Hey everyone, the highlight of the school year, I believe, was really looking at the presidential election results and following that and having students ask a lot of questions about what was going on. So that was the highlight of the school year.
Oh my God, I'm on camera. You're on camera. Right now.
I know it's been a challenging year. Many students have never set foot in the classroom this year, but I do want to reassure all of you and the parents and families that your students are ready for high school. We're excited to see them go. We wish we could have spent more time with them this year, but we're very excited to see them move on to 9th grade.
Thank you.